Hey, good looking. How are ya? It's your girl, Miss Red Fox, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, this is a beauty channel where I talk about skincare and makeup, and I do things like reviews, tutorials, and educational videos helping you guys get the best skin and look your best, but in a very educated way. So if you want to be smart about your beauty, hit the subscribe button. Man, woman, any ethnicity, I got you. Today I'm doing a review video, and this review video is based off New Year's resolutions. Some people's resolution is to lose weight. Some people's resolution is to make more friends, to find love. Some people, it should be to have better hygiene, but that's a video for another day. But some people, like myself, have a resolution of getting better teeth or whiter teeth. So, I have been genetically gifted with horrible teeth. So, it is one of my biggest insecurities. So, I try my very little best to make sure that I take care of my teeth and that I use the best products out there. And I was sent this product that is a very popular Instagram teeth whitening product. And I don't know if you've heard of it or seen of it, but if you have been living under the rock, you probably haven't. So, this is a charcoal based teeth whitening product, charcoal powder. And this is how the packaging looks like. That's what you call an athlete. But I digress. Now, before I tell you about how this product is, let me educate you on something. I refuse to use this. So I cannot give you my personal experience review of it because my background in medicine and science leads me to believe that this product is really dangerous for your mouth. It does more harm than benefits, and I have many dentist friends out here in Beverly Hills, and I called them up and I discussed it as well, just to make sure that I am correct before I did this video, and they co-signed everything I am about to say. So, let me educate you on this product, which I think is better than doing a review, a personal review. So, this charcoal based powder, yes, you will see your teeth get whiter with it, so it does whiten your teeth, I'll give it that. However, here's a laundry list of 6 things that this product does do to your mouth that you can form your own personal opinion about whether this is worth the risk or not. I personally feel that these 6 reasons give me enough warrant not to use this product. So if I educate you on these 6 things and you still decide to use it, that is your decision. But I want you to make an informed decision. So, let's go through the list. Charcoal powder is really abrasive on your teeth. So, what it does to your teeth when you are using it and you're scrubbing your teeth down, that it causes erosion and your teeth become less able to fight future stains. So, it actually makes it harder for you to get your teeth whiter in the long run because your teeth are so erosed that stains stay longer on your mouth and gets harder to remove. And number 2, which is worse than number 1, is as you are scraping away the stains of your teeth with the charcoal powder, you are exposing precious enamel, and this enamel cannot be regenerated. So that is a huge issue that I have with this product. And number 3, because your enamel is being scraped off, it makes your teeth so much more sensitive to heat and cold products. So if you're already suffering from teeth sensitivity, this will take it to a whole nother level that you do not want to experience. And if you don't have sensitive teeth, well, welcome to the club. Now you have sensitive teeth. And number 4, it increases your risk of decay because of the fact that it is exposing your precious enamel. So, hello dentist bills. And number 5, it is also dangerous to orally digest it. And because it is powder and it's charcoal, the chances of you ingesting just a tiny bit of it is extremely high. And so it causes damage to the lining of your stomach. So it also, as an effect to that, can cause extreme nausea and vomiting. And number 6, fam, this is probably the worst in my personal opinion out of the 5 that I have mentioned, especially for people that use medication, especially diabetic medication. This charcoal substance, if digested even just a little bit orally, can affect the way your body absorbs the medication that you are taking because it's counteractive. So it will not make your medication work, which is incredibly dangerous for people that are diabetic. And this is not FDA approved either for these reasons. So because the potential of it counteracting life-affecting medication makes this an incredibly questionable product to be using to gain white teeth. To me, it's not risk. The risk of it is not worth the reward. Yes, your teeth will get whiter, but for the long term, it damages your teeth, puts your health at risk, and it'll eventually get to the point where it won't be able to help you anymore because you scrub so much of that precious enamel away. And remember, it makes you retain stains more over time, and your teeth do decay. So do I think this is worth it? No. That is why I did not want to use this product, but I did want to educate you on it as to why I'm not going to use this product. So now that you're informed, you can make the decision for yourself. But I got a little treat for you guys. I will be doing a video soon on my own personal homemade teeth whitening procedure. So if you want these white teeth, just subscribe to my channel and keep an eye out for that video. And the best thing about it is that it is 2 ingredients, really cheap and easy to make, and it is just as effective, if not more effective, than this dangerous charcoal powder product. So there you go, now you know. So if you like this content and you felt like you learned anything new, like it. And if you want to see more videos like this, or if you don't want to miss any more videos or tutorials where I educate you, just like I did on this product, hit the subscribe button. I do post religiously, so just keep your eye out, and I promise you I'm here to help. If you have any questions, or if you want me to review any products that you would like more information about, then just post below. Because there's one thing you're going to learn about me: it doesn't matter who you are, what brand, sponsors, no sponsors, doesn't matter. I'm not going to lie to you guys because I have too much integrity and I take big pride in the fact that I am incredibly knowledgeable, and I do not want to lead you guys astray. I want you guys to feel confident about what you're putting on your face, what you're doing to your face, and that you have no, buyer's remorse when you buy a product. I want to make sure that you guys are 100% sure, especially now because we're ordering so much products online and salespeople just want to sell in the stores. So I am here to help you guys. So hit the subscribe button. If you want to follow your girl on social media, my social media links are on the homepage as well as the description bar below. So if you want to comment anything or ask me any questions outside of YouTube, just hit me up and I'm going to do my very level best to answer all your questions. So until next time, guys, thank you so much. Mwah.